Are you guys from these countries which are marked in red on this map? The countries that are marked in red are the countries where OpenAI services, for example, ChatGPT, is not available, guys. So if you are from these countries, I have got great solution for you. I'll teach you how to access to ChatGPT. You won't have any problems. You will sign up without any problem, guys. And if your mobile number is blocked on ChatGPT, if you can't use your mobile number, I'll show you method how to get a mobile number for free or how to buy it. So watch this video until the end and I'll show step by step how to access to ChatGPT without these problems, guys. So first of all, let's go to Google, and the first thing we need is the VPN. So we need free VPN. Just go to Google and type free VPN for Chrome and you will see the first result. Open this first result. This VPN is called free VPN for Chrome, and you can see the number of reviews. It's more than 8.5 thousand and it has got almost full 5 stars, and more than 3 million people already use this VPN. So it means that it's totally safe. You can install this VPN into your browser. After you will install it to your Chrome, then you can open it, and here you can see the flag. Just click the flag and scroll down. These are the premium locations, so these are available in paid version, and in the free version you can use only these free locations, which include France, Netherlands, Russia, Singapore, UK, USA. So you can access to these countries for free, but I don't suggest you to use USA because I already tested and it's not working for USA. I also tested Netherlands, and you can sign up without any problems with Netherlands, guys. So choose Netherlands, click the turn on button and connect to Netherlands IP, guys. So guys, after this moment we can go to chat.openai.com. I will leave the link in the description and we can start the sign up process. Click sign up button and enter your email address. Click continue, enter your password. Continue. Okay, now we need to go to our Gmail or other email and we need to verify OpenAI. So let's go to our Gmail and let's verify our email address. Okay, the next step is to enter our first name and last name. Let's click continue, and now we need to enter our mobile number. So we can use our mobile number, but if your country is blocked on OpenAI, most likely you can't use your local mobile number. So you can search it. You can use internet to search a free mobile number, or you can buy a mobile number. I will show you both methods. So first of all, let's try free method. Let's go to Google and let's type free SMS activation in Google, and you will find out that there are a lot of services that are offering us free mobile numbers. So here you can see, for example, on this website, you can see plenty of mobile numbers. You can use these mobile numbers to sign up on ChatGPT, but I want to tell you that most likely most of them won't work because they are too spammy. A lot of people already use these mobile numbers, so it's a little bit hard to find the right mobile number which will help you to sign up on ChatGPT. So you can try, you can open all of these websites, you can try all of these numbers. There's a possibility that most of them won't work, but most likely if you test 10 mobile numbers, 15 mobile numbers, one of them will work, guys. So you can test this free method, but if you want to be successful, you can try to use paid method which works 100%. I found this website which is called sms-activate.org. On this website you can buy a mobile number. It costs about 30 to 60 cents. It's in Russian rubles. If you don't know exchange rate, I will show you. As you can see, guys, one USD is 73 rubles, guys. This is the exchange rate at the moment, and so you can use this website to buy a mobile number. It will work 100%. First of all, you need to create an account. I will leave the link in the description, so just click the link, sign up on SMS activation service. Then you need to top up your balance. Go to balance and top up your balance with different methods. There are plenty of methods, for example, Visa, MasterCard, for example, cryptocurrencies. Also, there are other methods, guys, so use one of them. It's safe, guys. You can top up your balance. After you will top up your balance, then you can go to the left menu and you will see OpenAI. Just click in OpenAI, click show more. There are plenty of countries with different prices. The right side is the real price. So for example, if you buy the Estonian number, you will pay 45 rubles. For example, if you buy Spanish number, you will pay 67 rubles. So there are different countries with different prices. I would suggest you to use Estonian number. I tested the Indonesian number and I tested the Estonian number, and Estonian number is working, and there were some problems with the Indonesian number. So I suggest you to use Estonian number. It costs 45 rubles, and if you go to the calculator, 45 rubles is only 62 cents, guys. So it does not cost too much. And let's buy Estonian number. You can see that we bought this number, and this number is ours for 20 minutes. And the code will appear here, guys. So let's copy this number. Let's go to OpenAI. Let's search Estonia in the list. And let's enter the number. This is the country code, so we will delete the first 3 numbers. And let's click send code. So they sent the code, and now we should wait. The code will appear here, so we need to wait. But don't worry, if we won't receive the code on this number, we can click this X button and they will refund our money. But in this case, code is already here, guys. But if it doesn't work, you can click the X button and website will automatically refund your money to your balance, and you can buy other number, guys. So don't worry about it. It will work 100%. So let's copy this code. And let's enter this code into OpenAI. Let's wait a few seconds. Our account will be 100% ready to use. So as you can see, guys, we have got ChatGPT account from this moment and it's working. So if you have some availability problems, you can use a VPN, you can use free SMS activation service, or you can buy the number on the website I showed you, which is called sms-activate.org, and I will leave the link in the description. So with this method, you can access to ChatGPT without any problems. It's working. Let's say hello to ChatGPT, and you can see that ChatGPT is working, guys. So that's all. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video. Likes are super important for me. See you in the next video.